Alright guys, in my previous video a lot of people asked me questions about what they can start on the internet, how they can make money and where they can start from. Before I go deep into the training courses, because I'm going to release series of videos for this particular training, I want to talk about something very important so that you understand how things work before you even go into internet marketing. A lot of people believe that when they join internet marketing they're going to make millions of naira within the first week or within the first month. I want to tell you pretty clear that it is not going to be exactly as people advertise on the internet. So when you are coming as a beginner on the internet, you need to understand that this requires your dedication and your time. It's not going to be a get rich quick program. It's going to be something you need to invest your time and effort. So when you start, in the first few weeks you might not be making money as you might have seen in advertisement. That doesn't mean it is not going to work for you. In fact, it is happening like that in every businesses in different parts of the world. So you have to prepare yourself for the first few weeks so that you'll be able to overcome the challenges and you don't get frustrated easily. Prepare yourself and know that it is going to work for you when you're doing the right thing. Internet marketing is not a get rich quick program if you are doing the right thing. Forget about people doing fraudulent activities. I'm not going to talk anything about fraudulent activity. I'm going to give you everything that you'll be able to do and you'll be proud of yourself. You'll be able to tell anyone that this is what you do on the internet. So I want you to have this at the back of your mind, that the first few weeks, maybe the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, you might not be making substantial amount of money on the internet, but that doesn't mean you are not going to make money on the internet, because a lot of people, they get frustrated very easily. So I want you to prepare your mind for this so that you'll be able to overcome it, and at the end of the day you'll be able to make money on the internet. I'll be releasing other videos. I'll be talking about what you can do on the internet, where you can start from, how you go ahead about it, how you delivering your services, how you make your money, how you get your money here in Nigeria, and pretty much everything you needed to know as regards online marketing and freelancing. So I believe you will understand this and you'll be able to take steps just the way I will teach you in this video, and you'll be able to make money on the internet. Watch out for the next videos where I'll be talking about where you can start from and what you should start with. I believe you love this video. If you like it, feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching the video, and watch out for the next video. Bye for now.